Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to align a video on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for aligning a video, here I'm just going to add a video for aligning it. And after adding the video for aligning it, here on the top left corner of the video, you can see three dots. Click on that. And from here you can just see left align, center align, right align. From here you can just choose which align that you wanted. And after that, you can see that you had been aligned a video on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.